morning. We are now at LAX Airport. Today we're going to San Francisco for 2 nights. Going back on Thursday to Los Angeles. So, breakfast at the airport. We're having American breakfast. Here we have sausage, avocado toast with eggs. Banap! Banap, banap. What are you trying?
Randy's donut. The
Randy's
famous
donut.
Randy's.
C'est bon? Sugar.
We would like to welcome you to San Francisco, where the local time is 1:51 p.m. On behalf of the entire United team and our Star Alliance partners, we do thank you for choosing to fly with us today. We do hope you've enjoyed your flight. We look forward to seeing you again soon.
We just arrived in San Francisco.
Waiting for our lift. Going to the hotel. It's Uber Lyft area. Just go 5th floor of the airport.
We just arrived at our hotel, Hyatt Place in downtown San Francisco. We're going to walk around later in a few minutes and we're going to eat at Taco Bell. Before that, we're going to do a very quick room tour. Here's the sofa bed, and here's our kuya. The bed. Big TV, little spot where you can work or whatever you want to do. Here's our view. And our hotel is just near the Chase Center because we're going to watch Golden State Warriors versus Sacramento, right?
Yes,
Tomorrow.
Sacramento.
And voila. And here's our shower room.
Hey, so we are now at the hotel. We just ate dinner here. We bought Taco Bell for dinner and now we're just going to rest and maybe do some editing if I'm not too tired. But yeah, tonight is a wrap. We're just going to rest.
Still jet lagged.
Still jet lag, yes. It's 6:30, so we'll try to stay awake a little bit more. And then tomorrow, we'll visit San Francisco and watch our NBA game tomorrow. So yeah. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow.
Good night.
Good morning, San Francisco. This is the view of our hotel. Okay, so today we're going to visit the city and watch the NBA game tonight. We are looking for coffee shop before going on a hop off bus. Now we think, what's the name of the coffee?
Blue bottle.
Blue Bottle Coffee. Gusto nyo mag-apply? We found a LinkedIn building. Yun ba yung ano? Le QG? Nope.
Mais
Oh.
regarde, c'est grand.
It's big though. Wow.
Hirap lang yung camera. We are trying to look for a better spot for taking pictures or videos. We're walking towards Lombard Street. Lombard Street is the famous crookedest street in San Francisco. Oh my god.
Oh my god, it's hot. Look. The street is so famous that everyone is taking pictures of the street. So we got hungry. So we have potatoes. Potatoes. What are we ordering?
Thai milk tea and black sugar milk.
Hello, Panda.
Oh, that's it.
oil pan.
It's good. Not too sweet. Konti mas okay.
So we are now roaming around Chinatown and we are looking for a place to eat some dim sum.
So we're going to eat our lunch in Wonton. So we're going to take some dumplings and wonton soup, noodle soup. C'était trop chaud, je dis.
We're going to Chase Center to watch the game tonight. I'm gonna see Stephen Curry for the first time and so excited. We're here. We are at Chase Center.
Season ticket member of the game's recognition. Tonight we're so excited to recognize siblings Alan and Valerie Hood from section 123. The Hood family has been awarded the season ticket members.
San Francisco men's sports.
How do you feel?
I'm excited.
All the talk? Nah, you make them look.
This 13th season from Washington State University, number 11, Blaine Thompson. And now in his 15th NBA season, our Vivcie, number 30, Stephen. Coaches, Steve Kerr.
Hey guys, we are back at our hotel after the game. The Warriors won by 1 point. It was amazing. We had so much fun for our first experience. And thanks to my wonderful wife for this gift that it was my it's a birthday gift. So yeah, very blessed to experience my first NBA game here in San Francisco. And yep, today was a good day. So yeah, tomorrow going back to LA, and yeah, we're a bit tired. So yeah, we'll just sleep and have rest. And tomorrow back to LA. Thanks, guys.